Okay, so in the last video, I rewatched it and I saw that my voice breaks out a couple of times. And too bad, so sad. I'm not re-recording it, so deal with it. And I started recording this video, then I realized I messed up like big time, like cannot go back big time. So I've just decided to restart the video. So this is a channel I didn't see, but you didn't. That was not in the last video, but it's here now. So this is how to use Carlbot. So, first thing you want to do once you get a bot in the server and you want him to manage your roles, go to roles and make sure Carlbot is at the top. When he comes in, he'll be around here, right? You want him at the very top or as high as you can get him, right? So, make sure he's there. Make sure he is there or else big no-no. All right, so let's create a role specifically just for bots, not a role, a channel. Oh, all right. Put this in text channels, bots. All right, this is where I will make automatic roles, right? You've probably seen them where you go into a server and you just click on an emoji underneath the message, and suddenly you have a role you want. So I'm going to show you how to make that. So you do !RR space make. Carlbot's going to respond. What channel would you like the message to be in? I want it in the roles, so I would just do hashtag roles. All right, this channel is hashtag roles. What would you like the message to say? All right, so grab your name colors. We went over name colors in the last video and how to do that, so make sure it's separated by whatever this is called. And so roles are within these brackets, so you want the role red and an emoji that represents it, right? So if it was duck, you'd have a duck emoji, red emoji. Yellow. Finally, blue. Also, I know you can all hear my typing. I'm sorry. All right. Title, description, what would you like the message to say? I usually skip this because I don't care, but for sake of showing you, just type in a hex code. It just really adds that green bar right there. So this usually takes the longest. So you see this representatives, this is where we add the things below it. So red, circle, red. Make sure there is a space between them. Yellow circle, yellow. Blue circle, blue. All right, this lets you know that he saw it, and this is basically where you're done. So type done in chat, and now we have 3 new rules created. And if we go in here, we can react to them, and they will be change my name color. So watch. My name is now red. My name is yellow. My name is blue. Here, I'll go into my alt account, and I'll show you how it works. And now, oh wait, I can't have 2 name colors at once. So look at all these pretty colors. All right, so that is how to make an automatic role, right? But let's say you just want one, right? This would, let's say for the extreme. Also, I got rid of the extreme tag for this guy just for this example. All right, so !RR space make. Let's put this in roles again. Grab the extreme tag. And then I will say grab it only if you are okay with seeing extreme content. Right, and I'm just going to skip this. And this is where it's important. So let's say knife extreme. Done. New role. Grab the extreme tag. Go into it. I've grabbed it, and now you can see extreme pop up. Watch it as I boom, 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 boom. All right. This is, again, just the really basic stuff you can do with Carlbot. I will add more if other people want more. And so let's move on to the last thing that people usually need, which is to auto-censor. Auto-censor is pretty simple. You do exclamation point, censor, and pick a word that you probably won't want to see on your server. The words that I would usually black out are not permitted on YouTube, so I'm not going to say them. So let's say butterfly. Censor the word butterfly. All right, so Carlbot has added his censors to the words. So I come in here with my alt account. I say the word butterfly. It's deleted. But let's say we don't want it to just be deleted, because that seems a bit unfair, right? What if you just warn them, right? So what we do is we go back, and so we censor and p warn. So it'll just warn them. No, wait, not p censor. All right. Sorry. I'm getting this confused with another bot whose prefix is p exclamation point. Let's just censor, warn. All right, so now I go back to my alt account. I say the word butterfly. And I get a DM from Carlbot saying, you have received an automatic warning. And this is other times I've used my alt account to mess around with Carlbot, so he's messaged me a few times. So nothing will happen. All right, the message still stays there. And I can say this as many times as I want. And it can keep going and going. And this is what I normally use, right? Just to let people know that the word is banned. Or you can do something a bit more extreme and go censor p like it was before. This is the default setting, is delete. So I go back into here. All right, all right, thank you. Well, all right, maybe it's not. Maybe I'm just bad at this. Anyway, warn is really all I ever use. So let's say, oh, that's why it's not working. I didn't switch accounts. Ugh. I'm an idiot. That's why it wasn't deleting. Because I was using the wrong... Oh my gosh. Guess who's bad at this? Who's bad at keeping track? Copy. Paste. All right, now it's been set to delete. And now if I go in here and I say butterfly, it is automatically deleted. There are more harsher ones where I could set it to ban, and if someone ever says this word, they'll be automatically banned. I don't recommend it, but you know what? It's honestly up to you. Another one people like to use is censor p message. All right, go in here, butterfly. All right, and now it has been deleted, and Carlbot says that I have used a banned word. So that's a bit more self-explanatory if you don't want to go through the hassle of saying this word is banned. And let's say you want to add more. So censor add flower bees sky. Nope, dang it, I'm doing this with the wrong account again. Ah. All right, now these have been added. Go in here. Bees. Flower. Sky. And then they are yeah. So the words stay up, but the message from Carlbot gets deleted. And that's how you auto censor. And this is what normally people just use. And if you're wondering why I'm using my alt account to do this and not messaging with this account, that's because if you want a mod role, like let's just quickly make Hawk, which is a role I have, the highest order, right? Save changes, it's above Carlbot. Therefore, if I say a bad word, my role is above Carlbot, which means I have more power. So let's say I say flower. Nothing happens to me because my role is above his. But Goose, or alt account 69, or old Goose, or whatever you want to call it, is below it. So I say flower in this form, and it gets deleted. Or not deleted, but I get a message. And that is how you auto censor. And there are a lot more options to do, like ban, delete, message, warn, and harsher ones. I think I said this already. Am I repeating myself? I probably am. Anyway, that's all you need to know about Carlbot. That's all I'm willing to explain about Carlbot. I'm really tired about this Carlbot. I don't want to say his name one more time. I will make another video if you have any more questions. I'm not sure who I'm referring to. I'm going to share this to one of my Discord servers. And that's literally all. I don't know who I'm talking to here. Who is you? I don't care. I'm done. Bye-bye.